Hello kids! Today, we're going to learn about different shapes. Are you excited to find out what shapes are and how they can help us make beautiful designs? Shapes are very important in our daily life. They can be found everywhere around us, such as in objects, animals, and even in the sky. There are so many different shapes, and each one has its unique characteristics. Let's start with the most basic shape, the circle. A circle is a flat surface that has no corners or edges. It is found in objects like toys, hats, and even the sun. When we draw a circle on a paper, we use lines to connect all the points on the circle. Remember, a complete circle is made up of one full turn around a center point. Next, let's learn about the triangle. A triangle is a flat shape with three sides, which are called sides. It is found in objects like stairs, tents, and even in the shapes of our ears. When we draw a triangle, we use three lines to connect the endpoints of each side. Remember, a complete triangle has three sides and three angles. Now, let's explore the most popular shape, the square. A square is a flat shape with all four sides equal in length. It is found in objects like tables, clothes, and even in the shape of our classroom. When we draw a square, we use four lines to connect the endpoints of each side that are all equal in length. Remember, a complete square has four sides that are all equal in length. Shape is so important in our daily life. They can help us create beautiful designs and patterns. So, let's keep exploring and learning more about the amazing world of shapes. Happy drawing!